Hi everyone, welcome to the Plant Like Things kitchen, where today we're gonna make a veganized Greek-inspired dish. It's a soup. It's creamy, it features tahini, chickpeas, vegetables. You're gonna love it. So follow along as we take you on this tahini-filled journey. You're gonna start with half an onion, carrots, and lots of garlic. Let me wipe my tears away from all the onions. We now have onions. Why I also love this soup is because there's Orzo pasta in it, which I didn't tell you guys. So in the pot, there is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. You could do 1/4 of a cup of water if you want to do that instead. And we're gonna toss our onions and carrots into the pot. Last time I made this soup, I really enjoyed the rosemary, so I'm gonna throw in some rosemary in there. But I'm gonna toss it in here with the onions and the garlic, the onions and the carrots, so that it starts getting tasty flavor. Whew, it's getting hot in here. In the meantime, while the water gets hot and starts to boil, I'm gonna take you guys on a little field trip. We're gonna pick some rosemary to put in the soup. Field trip, field trip, field trip to the garden. There it is. This is some cilantro that is now flowering, but we're gonna go for the rosemary. So we're just gonna go to the top here and pick a few little sprigs. Yeah, woo, look at that. Wow guys, I cannot tell you enough how delicious this smells. So lucky to be able to pick from the garden. But you too can grow rosemary in your front porch out of a pot. So more on that in another video. Check out this lazy girl. You better get inside and help me cook that Orzo pasta. Orzo pasta, beautiful. I love Orzo pasta. It calls for only 1 cup, but we love the Orzo so much that we're gonna go with a heavy cup. We're still trying to be as less waste as we can, so we have some chickpeas that we already boiled from the previous night that were dry, and we're gonna use 16 ounces of this, so 2 cups. I recently got this juicer for citrus and just juicing these sorts of things. The Orzo is nice and tender. That means it's ready for the next step. Take it off the heat, turn it off. Hey, got my 1/3 of a cup of tahini. I'm gonna start with half a cup of the lemon juice. I like it super lemony, so I'm just gonna keep adding, but I'm gonna start with half a cup. Stir all that tahini together with the lemon and watch as your soup becomes creamy. In some of this large spinach that I just trimmed in 3 pieces and toss it in there. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to use the rosemary from the garden. So I'm gonna take this. I have these beautiful little scissors that are perfect for herbs that'll just chop these all up into tiny, perfect little pieces. And in goes fresh rosemary. And in goes more fresh rosemary, because fuck it, we love fresh rosemary. Stir again, stir again. Stir all that goodness together. Rosemary and baby spinach and carrots and onion and chickpeas and Orzo pasta.